Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So let's just jump right into this new video. So this wig today is from Yolissa Hair, and this is the beautiful pink and black box to send the hair in. This is what all came in this box. So first let's unbox this hair. First we have the Yolissa wig band to tie your wig down. We have a satin wrap, and then we have the beautiful wig. It's a HD wig. The cap is small, okay, and the length is I think 22 inches. Also, they sent me a pair of lashes. They also sent me a wig, a HD wig caps. I love these because they're really thin. Of course, a edge brush, which is always a handy dandy for your baby hairs. And then, of course, to send me a beautiful black with pink Yolissa satin bag. Okay, so now let's open this wig up. This is a HD lace. One thing I like about Yolissa Hair, they always ask me for my cap size, and my size for their wigs are small because I don't have hair. So my head size is small. The wig density is 180, so this wig is very full. The length is about 22 inches long. Now, right out of the packaging, this is how this lace look. This is a HD lace from Yolissa Hair. This lace is so beautiful and easy to melt with anyone's skin too. The baby hair is already pre-plucked for you. You can see how fine and pre-plucked that hairline looks. It's not bulky. You can just put this wig on and go. You don't have to do much to this lace. This lace size is 5x5. Lace closure is nice and wide, and the parting space is very deep. Now, one thing I like is this wig comes with the elastic band already attached. And actually, the elastic band is attached close to the closure, which is perfect. It's easy for this elastic band to adjust, and it will help make this closure snug to your head. It also comes with combs inside on each side. The density of this wig is 180% density. It's really nice and thick and full. Now let's get into styling this wig. It's very easy to style. So first thing, I'm taking my Fit Me powder, the powder that matches my skin tone, and I'm blending the lace out on the bottom because I want this lace to match my skin once I put it on. Next, I went in here and took the HD wig cap that Yolissa Hair sent me. I put it on, and then I took the wig. You can see the elastic band is attached, and I went in here and popped the wig on. When I tell you this wig is as simple as it gets. Look at that lace. Look at how nicely that lace is blended into my skin. Look at how those curls are popping. The wig comes curls for you. So you don't even have to curl this wig. It comes curl for you. You really do not have to curl this wig. You can just pop it on just like that and go if you choose to. You can see how beautiful this wig look right out of the packaging. Now the wig is already nicely on. I literally do not have to do anything to this wig. The top part is flat. It comes with the hair sleek back already. I really do not have to do anything with this wig but cut off that lace. Okay. Now, once after cutting the lace, you can leave this wig just the way it is. If you don't know how to curl, girls, you have curls already. You don't have to curl it. It's glueless wig. Put it on and go. You do not see any lace. Look at them luscious curls, okay? That's it. You can leave it like this and you can leave it like this and go, okay? Or you can use a big comb and comb through it. And once you comb through this wig, look at those voluminous curls. Voluminous curls. Like the curls is so pretty. The curls is fire. The lace is fire. The wig is just beautiful. Now, girl, you can see this wig is beautiful once you comb the curls out. But listen, your girl felt like the length in the front was too long in her face. I felt like it needed a little bit more body and a little bit more structure to frame my face. So I decided to cut a little bit of layers just in the front part. Nothing too crazy, just a couple of long layers just to frame my face and gave the front part a little bit more pizzazz. Now, once after cutting the layers, I felt much better. I felt like the front had a little bit of volume. It wasn't too flat on my face. So, of course, I had to add a little bit of curl. So I used my 1.5 curling iron and I just curl the hair in the same position that the wig was curled in, which was curling towards the back. So I just added a couple of curls just to the front part where I added the layers. Okay, and that was pretty much it for styling this wig. Now, like I said, you don't have to do the steps. You can definitely keep the wig just like it is. But once I added those curls, you can see a little bit of volume and a little bit of layers. And it framed my face a little bit more. And the wig definitely look more sexier in the front. So this is pretty much it for Yolissa Hair. I will leave all the links in the description box if you guys want to check out this beautiful wig, see the volume, see the lusciousness, okay? The hair was giving what it needs to give. The curls was giving what it needs to give. It's 180% density. Check out Yolissa Hair. I will leave all the links in the description box. Thank you for watching.